This is the story of two couples vacationing in the same place at the same time.
No. I think it's this way.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alessandra?
Yes. Hi. You have a good trip?
One chose a
Great.
Globus tour.
Thank you.
Me to pick up.
The other went on their
Are you
own.
a taxi? I want to rent the car.
Go it alone,
I don't have that. I don't know what app
What's
it
the
is.
name of the app?
and you're on your own.
Our ride is just around the corner.
Are we close?
It's like 4 more blocks.
Go with Globus,
You are already checked in?
and we'll make everything easy.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
Alessandro says, have to try the
No
muscles.
one's answering. Try pushing the buttons.
Hello? We're here. Hello?
Tour with us, and the world opens up effortlessly.
If you follow me, I will take you inside. It keeps moving. I think we need to keep moving in order for it.
Because there's a big difference between figuring it out and having it all figured
So
out.
guys, when you travel with us, you skip the line. Where are they going?
They're going in.
On a Globus tour, you see more. You do more. You learn more.
It is Lucella, guys. We are here. He is doing perfecto. Flip it now. Flip it again.
It says to look for a guy in a blue hat.
Blue hat. There are like 10 guys with blue hats.
On a Globus tour, you simply enjoy. With less stress, less worry,
Try over here.
less hassles,
Hello?
and more stories.
So a lot of people miss these when they come here, but these are the wine windows. I wonder what that is.
Alessandro, since we have the rest of the afternoon free, do you have any suggestions?
Well, you know what, guys? There's actually a really nice farmer's market. It's around the corner, good for lunch. I can show you if you want.
Let's go.
Honey, I don't know where to go.
Can't we find a real person?
Next time, don't just go.
You want me to buy you something? I could maybe.
Go beyond. Tour with Globus.